Welcome back to Circling Circuits. Let's make a simple circuit. Use the components in your kit to make this light bulb turn on. Pause the video now to explore. To make a simple circuit, you will need to put the battery, the power source which stores potential energy, into the blue battery holder. I'm going to use black and white lead wires, but you can use any color you want. Connect one end of each lead wire with an alligator clip by pinching the clips so they open and close like an alligator's mouth. They'll clip on to the metal sticking out of the battery holder, the battery's terminal. The other ends of the lead wires will clip on to the screws of the light bulb holder, the light bulb's terminals. The light bulb should now turn on. Do we want lights to be on all the time? No! What do you use when you want to shut off the lights? A switch. Take the switch from your kit and try to connect it to the electric circuit we just created. Pause the video now to explore. To connect your switch, did you use the third lead wire with alligator clips? To connect your switch, unclip a lead wire from one of the light bulb terminals. Connect that lead wire to one of the screws on the switch's terminal. Connect the third lead wire to the other screw on the switch. The other end of the third lead wire will connect to the open light bulb terminal. What happens if you turn on the switch? The light bulb turns on. What about if we turn it off? There's a break in your circuit. What's another name we could give the switch? A circuit breaker. If there's a break in your circuit, the electricity will stop flowing and the light bulb will not turn on. Let's create a diagram. A diagram is a simple drawing that shows how your circuits work. Electrical engineers use the engineering design process to solve their problems. The third step in the process is making a plan. A diagram is a great way to show everyone your plan for your circuit. There are 4 symbols we can use to represent the components in our kits. They look like this. Lines will connect each symbol to represent the lead wires. Can you draw a diagram that shows how your simple circuits work? Pause the video now to draw. Our next electrical engineering task will have us creating diagrams to show how we can make propellers spin on a motor. When you are ready, continue on to the third video segment.